Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cabrina and today I am doing this blue smoky eye using the Tati palette. And I am doing this look actually because Tati Beauty shared my picture on Twitter and on Instagram. Oh my gosh, I am still in shock just even thinking about it. But a lot of you wanted me to do a tutorial on this, so this is the look I am doing today. I just wanted to quickly say, thank you so much for all the sweet comments and for wanting me to even do this video. I am just shook at how sweet you guys are, and it just means the absolute world to me. This is my dream, and I just love it so much, and I'm just so excited to even have this chance. So thank you, Tati, and thank you everyone for commenting such sweet comments. So yeah, if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Thank you so much, guys. Quick side note, my face is gonna be really red throughout basically this entire video because it's super hot in here and my hair is an absolute mess right now, so please forgive that, but enjoy the video, guys. Okay, first thing that I did is went all over my lid with this concealer by Jeffree Star in shade C7. And then I blended it out with a beauty sponge. And once I am done blending that out, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the palette. I am going to go into shade Aura, that shade right there, the matte shade of it. And I'm gonna use just any brush really, but I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush and set my concealer with it. Okay, once I'm done setting my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the shade Soothe, the matte one. And I'm going to use a Morphe blending brush. It's kind of a big blending brush. And I am just going to go all over my crease. So I just grab a little bit of it. You see it, just grab a little bit. Tap off the excess and go ahead and go in. All over the lid. The best way that I learned how to do this is to go back and forth and then swirl it. Back and forth, swirl. The bigger the blending brush that you use for your crease, the less pigmented it will be, so it won't be too much at one spot. So I always go in with a big fluffy brush at first and use that in my crease. Okay, and then I go in with a smaller blending brush and I am going to go into the shade Ritual. It's that deep chocolate brown color. Take a little bit of it, tap off the excess, and then I'm gonna go even lower, more precisely in the crease. Right here. And again, go back and forth. Try to go with a light hand because the lighter you go, the less product will go all at once, if that makes sense. So it won't be so harsh of a line. And it'll be easier to blend. So I just go ahead and go back and forth. It's gonna look a little crazy at first. It's kind of a lot of blending, but you'll see. Okay, and then I go ahead and take that same brush that we used at first with the same Soothe color, and I just go back over the edges of it to blend it. Just right on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back into that Ritual shade with the same little brush we used the second time and go over the exact same spot. Just right there. The secret to blending is pretty much just going over the same steps over and over. And each time that you pick up product, pick it up just a little bit at a time. And that way it's easier to blend, and also it's not gonna make it too harsh. Then I go back with the first brush we used, the big fluffy blending brush, but it has no product on it whatsoever. But it has no product on it whatsoever. And I'm gonna go back over the edges just to blend it more. Okay, now the fun part. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Memory, the metallic, right there. And I'm gonna use just a flat brush, not wetting it or anything. And I'm gonna go all over my lid. Ooh, child. Tati, you killed this. I love this shade. All right, and once I got that shade down, I'm gonna go back into Ritual, that dark chocolate brown shade, with the same brush that we used with it, that small blending brush. Take just a tiny bit of it, knock off the excess, and then go right on top of the blue ends, right here in the crease, and just blend it in. And once I'm done putting that darkest shade on, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the glitter Memory right there and take just a teeny tiny bit of it, just tiny little bit. Just barely putting my finger in there, like that much of it, and just go right on top of where we put the blue. Just a tiny bit. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on, lashes, liner, do my face makeup, and then I will be back to do my bottom lashes. All right, once I am done putting my lashes on, liner on, and all that stuff, I will go ahead and go into that first shade that we used, Soothe, that light brown color right there on that same big fluffy brush. And this is what I'm gonna use underneath my eyes. So just get a little bit of it and go right underneath. And now I'm gonna go in with a little flat brush. I'm just using the flat brush on one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes that comes with the palettes. And I am going to go back into Memory, but this time I'm gonna use that sequin shade right there. And I'm gonna do my waterline. Put it right here on the waterline. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with liner and just line my waterline. Just black liner. This one is from Tarte. It's the Tartiest double eyeliner. And I'm gonna go right into my waterline with it. And then I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes, and then we will be done. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, I appreciate absolutely everything today. And yeah, I'm so glad you're here, and I'm so glad you're watching my videos, and I hope that you like and subscribe. See you guys later.